Hello, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the 2017 the Ford F150. Stock number is 7326. In a virtual video walk around, we're going to show you this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition on the passenger side and the rear. It does have tow package, 4x4. Don't forget, Sunset Ford, warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. We just give you more. Ample legroom for company or friends traveling with you. Now we're going to put you in the driver's seat and show you the interior condition, just like you would be driving. No rips, no tears, no stains. Fully powered windows, locks, cruise, and tilt. This truck will not last long. We hope you've appreciated your virtual video walk around. For this vehicle and much, much more, visit our website, call us, email us, or text us for more information. Better yet, get ready to save. We look forward to meeting you right here at Sunset Ford. Have a great day. Take care now.